This is my view as a lawyer and a mom, my objective view. Okay, let's start with what we know. Imade has lived with Sophia since she was born. David has enjoyed visitation rights intermittently. In 2024, they had the big blowout and David decides to file for custody. Now, I said it then and I'm repeating it now. There's no court in the world that would have granted him that request. And here's why. David is very successful at what he does, but it comes at a cost. Traveling is a big part of what he does. When he is around, spending extended amounts of time in the studio is also part of his job, right? It's a requirement of his job. That's what he does. Now, the question is, while he's doing all of that, who is parenting Imade? Imade has grown with the mom, and the mom, to the best of our knowledge, is hands-on. She's present, and she's able to provide hands-on parenting. No court in the world is going to grant joint custody if it means taking time away from the birth parent to hand the child over to another parent who's about to rely on carers and extended family because they are not available to provide hands-on parenting. The court will always prioritize what is in the child's best interest. And what is in any child's best interest is to be raised by the parents, by the birth parents, unless you can prove that that parent is unfit or incapable of taking care of that child. That's just the truth. Secondly, both parents, to the best of our knowledge, live in two different countries. Sophia lives in Nigeria, to the best of our knowledge. David splits his time between Nigeria and Atlanta. So if the court were to grant you joint custody, what does that mean for the child? Is the child now going to be homeschooled? Because to the best of our knowledge, Imade is in school. She's thriving in school. Her friends are there. Her life is there. Do you know how disruptive that would be for a child? Is she going to spend half the school year in Nigeria and half the school year in Atlanta? How is that exactly going to work? Right? Thirdly, the death of a child is a very tragic and emotional experience. But there is not one relatively successful lawyer that will not present that before the court. It goes directly to the determination of the issues before the court. We are talking about your ability to provide a stable, loving, and safe environment for the child. And you think any lawyer will not present that? Call all your lawyer friends and ask them. And they will tell you a lawyer would have to be insane not to present that evidence.